Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Temple Run 2 game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, you will need to install an Android emulator such as BlueStacks. Open up your web browser and then type in bluestacks.com in the address bar and press enter. This will then take you into the official BlueStacks website. Click on the download button and then open up the downloaded file. And you can simply click through the next buttons to install the emulator on your system. Once it is installed, go ahead and open it up and you will gain access to your Android home screen. Now from here, tap on System Apps and then open up the Play Store. Just log in to your Google account if you haven't logged in already, and then you can tap on the search box and then search for the Temple Run 2 game. Once you find the game, just tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button and this will now begin the download and installation of the Temple Run 2 game on your device right away. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and once it is done, you will be able to tap on the play button in order to enjoy the game, and a shortcut will also be created on your desktop which you can directly double click on in order to launch the game on your PC. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Temple Run 2 game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.